Class is now in session.
I'm here with Professor Greg Tucci. He teaches Life and Physical Sciences A. Greg, thanks for being here to talk.
I'm really happy to be here.
Tell me about your class.
We teach both chemistry and, we also teach biochemistry and biology at the same time. When you come to Harvard, you really want to understand some things that are fundamental, that let us know how the world works. And so we have two framing questions in the class. One of them is how chemical reactions happen, and the second is a why question. Why do chemical reactions happen?
Greg, it's obvious that you love teaching. Tell me what you love most about teaching Harvard undergraduates.
I can tell you one thing. Several things that I can love. One of those, their reactions are fantastic, right? We put a marshmallow inside a jar, and I tell people, hey, I'm gonna remove all the air in the inside of that jar. What's gonna happen? And then they'll say, it's gonna shrink, because I moved the air. But no, the mushroom gets bigger. And then they'll go, what? And that what really makes my day.
So why does it get bigger?
You have to take my class, David. I can't tell you everything here. But what I like about it most is they come down after class and they tell me the things that they're doing. And that's what I want to hear. I want to hear about what they're doing. And they have all kinds of experiences, and I just marvel at the range.
How long does it take you to prepare one lecture for Life and Physical Sciences A?
When I'm making a new lecture, it can take like 6 or 7 hours. And why is that? Why does it take such a long time? And that is because when you're putting that lecture together, the number one thing you do as an instructor, you think, what question are the students going to ask? Because if you can understand the questions that they're going to ask, then you can make a lecture that can address the types of things that'll be hard or something that they don't understand.
If you could be an element of the periodic table, what would you be?
I'm kind of reactive, so I'm going to pick I'm going to pick something that seems to react with a lot of things. Flooring.
What element do you think I would be?
You'd be one of the happier elements.
Okay. Right. Which is what? What's a happy element?
Well, I know. I'm trying to figure out which the happiest. Something. No. You know what? Helium. That's great.
Helium.
Helium.
Are you saying that I have a high voice, Greg?
No. First of all, helium is very rare. It's hard to get a hold of these days.
Okay.
It's very, very rare. But helium is, it just makes people happy when it's in balloons.